Welcome back to 8.Water. In today's episode, we're focusing on a common scam that can hit homeowners hard, the water heater and plumbing repair scam. In this scam, door-to-door salespeople claim they're from your utility company or a plumbing service, offering inspections or urgent repairs for water heaters or plumbing systems. But what they're really after is your money for unnecessary or overpriced services. Let's look at how to avoid this trap. Here's how the scam works. A salesperson comes to your door, claiming your water heater or plumbing system needs urgent repairs. They might say it's a safety hazard, or that it's leaking and could cause serious damage if it's not fixed right away. They'll offer to fix it on the spot, but often charge much more than legitimate plumbers, or do poor quality work that doesn't actually solve the problem. One real-life case involved homeowners who were told their water heaters were on the verge of breaking down, potentially causing major flooding. The scammers charged thousands of dollars to replace or repair them, but in many cases, the repairs were either unnecessary or not done properly. To protect yourself, always get a second opinion before agreeing to any major repairs. Verify the company's credentials and never let someone pressure you into making an immediate decision. Legitimate utility or plumbing companies won't show up unannounced, and they certainly won't push for expensive, same-day repairs. Thanks for watching 8.Water. Stay tuned for more tips in our series on door-to-door sales scams, where we'll cover other common tricks like subscription frauds and home security scams. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next video.